Welcome back to Studio Ploy. It's been quite a while since I uploaded my last video, and my recent work engagements over some exciting projects holding me from doing so. This, notwithstanding, I'm very much happy to share with you another makeover outputs and DIY contents in the coming weeks. Meanwhile, allow me to show you this simple tutorial. Starting off with the tools and materials. What we need are the following: stainless steel and plastic paint scrapers, wet cloth, painter's tape, baby roller, sandpapers, stainless steel trowel, and mixing container. For this project, we are going to use Davies WallArt Industria. Before the application, make sure that the surface is clean and dry. Kailangan din natin i-tape ang edges kung hanggang saan lang natin siya i-apply for a more cleaner and professional finish. The product has two components, the powder and the binder, na kailangan natin i-mix depende sa consistency na gusto i-achieve. For the first coat, I prefer a more thicker paste-like consistency, and as much as possible, dapat walang lumps. Pwede tayo actually gumamit ng electric drill mixer pag madaming kailangan nating mixer. But for this, since konti lang naman ang kailangan natin and para di masayang, we are going to mix it using a spatula or a small plastic scraper. For the surface application, usually if painted na yung wall ng something glossy, kailangan natin siyang lihain and scrape off rough edges. But since itong wall was painted in flat, what we need to do is i-mist na lang siya or punasan ng wet cloth. Using the trowel or paint scraper, i-apply natin siya thinly or around 1 mm thick. Mas mabilis ang application kung yung trowel ang gagamitin, but since I wanted to create a smaller pattern, kaya mas pinili kong gamitin ang paint scraper. I mentioned na flexible and durable itong gamitin kasi madaming patterns na pwedeng gawin, like pwede mo i-form na tiles, or stamp siya para maka-create ng different effects. Yung product is also durable na pwede mo din siya gamitin pang outdoor. Then we'll let it dry for 8 hours at least before the next coat. Once fully dry, tanggalin lang natin yung mga excess using a scraper and lightly sand and even areas. Since medyo rough pa ang finish nito, gagamitan natin siya ng sandpaper with a lower grit. Dito I'm using number 80. If you want a more raw finish, pwede na rin na hindi sand. But since itong ginawa natin is nasa bedroom siya, kaya mas pinili ko na smooth yung kanyang finish. Tips sa pagmimix, dapat halos smooth na siya para mas madali siyang i-apply. One more thing, kung di pa kayo sure gaano kadami kailangang applyan, mag-mix lang muna kayo ng konti, then after, pag natansya nyo na coverage niya, saka nyo na lang adjust yung dami, kasi sayang kung sobrang dami tapos di naman lahat magamit, di ba? For the second application, ang consistency nito ay mas manipis, pero doble natin siyang dadaanan. It creates this sort of 3D pattern pag tuyo na, pero smooth pa rin siya pag hinawakan mo. Pwede natin ma-adjust ang consistency niya by adjusting the two components by the way. Kung napapansin nyo sa kuha na to, nakaka-create na tayo ng para maliliit na pattern, which is yun ang gusto talaga natin i-achieve. Kaya gumamit tayo ng painter's na spatula or scraper instead of the typical stainless steel trowel. After ng second application, we'll let it dry for 48 hours or 2 days before the final sanding. I decided to remove first the painter's tape para makita kung may uneven or damaged edge or part ng gilid para ma-rectify natin siya before natin siya i-sand. This time naman, ang gamit na nating sandpaper is nasa 220 yung grit para mas fine na siya and hindi din madamage ang patterns. Ang objective lang natin dito sa final sanding is mas smoothen out natin yung mga rough na edges and dapat hindi din siya masobrahan ng sanding kasi baka masira yung pattern na nagawa natin. For the final step, we apply WallArt Industria Topcoat to seal and for maximum protection. Usually, after application of Topcoat, it lightens the result a bit. If you want to create a natural looking cement finish that is neutral and can be used as a focal or accent wall, this is one of my most recommended. I love that it suits a lot of different aesthetics from modern, industrial to Scandinavian and a lot more. Added bonus is it's easy to maintain. Full details of the materials and tools na ginamit are on the description box. Salamat po sa panonood. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to drop me a line in the comment section below. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more DIY and makeover contents. And also click that bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new video. See you guys next time!